it at the park. Dropping in on neighbors is all part of Jolene's world. Slap on all your blue shadows. Watch out for that big tornado. Get all filled with pride in the double
Hey there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. And welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jolene, the Trailer Park Cooking Show, where I teach you how to live on a budget and do it the Trailer Park way. Well, I have sure missed you, and I've got tons of stories to share with you, but I know that you need some quick and easy recipes, especially since we're all running around here. It's summer, and we haven't had a chance to travel, and I've dreamed of the islands. So today's recipe actually has influence from Hawaii. And actually what today's recipe uses is a baking sheet. Today's recipe is Hawaiian chicken sheet pan dinner. Yes, that's right, you bake it all on a sheet pan and then serve it over rice, or if you're on that paleo, which is I think caveman diet, you can serve it over that riced cauliflower. It's super simple, has taste of the pineapple and the tropical barbecue sauce. It's up next on the Trailer Park Cooking Show. I'll be right back. Okay, making my Hawaiian chicken sheet pan dinner is really simple. I've got a bowl here and I took some chicken tenders, which I had to take out a loan for. Wow, chicken prices are expensive. You could use chicken thighs or chicken breast, whatever you find on sale, but you need to chop them up in chunks, and I did so, and I'm gonna put them in there just like that. And then I'm gonna add about a half teaspoon of salt, depending on your taste, just like that, into the bowl. And then I like to use a little bit of garlic powder here. Now, as I said, this is a paleo dish. I think that's what the cavemen eats. I don't know. Some people are on all these fancy diets, but I know that this dinner is easy to fix and it's quick, and you can serve it with all sorts of things. Rice and noodles and that cauliflower rice. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna try it today. Now, I have chopped up some red, some orange, and a yellow pepper here, and I'm just gonna dump that on in there, just like that. And we need about a chopped up red onion, just in chunks there. So let's just dump that on there. Look how pretty that is. Look how those colors just pop. Now, at the grocery store, you're gonna look for something that says Hawaiian barbecue sauce. There's probably some in the sauce section. It has some fruit juices in it. It's tropical kind of flavor, and this just works really well. You need about a half cup in there. So let me just dump that on in there. Now, you could probably use your hands. Now, don't forget to wash your hands, because this is chicken and you don't want to get any sort of chicken germs. And I'm just going to mix this around and check back with you in just a moment. Okay, I have a baking sheet here that I put some parchment paper on it to make it easier to clean, and I've sprayed it with some olive oil spray, and I'm just going to spread out the chicken mixture in an even mixture here, and we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And then we are going to add some canned pineapple, and then we're going to actually bake it some more. So let me spread this out here. Look how pretty that is. Look at those colors that are popping. That is amazing. That looks very tropical, and I smell all the seasoning, and that actual barbecue sauce smells really good. It smells kind of fruity, and it smells kind of sweet, very much like barbecue sauce, and I know that's going to be just very tasty. And just want to make sure you get that chicken spread out so that it can bake really fast, because this meal is great in a hurry. So there we go, and this goes in the oven for 20 minutes. So go ahead and set your timer. After about 20 minutes in the oven, take it out and put about 1 cup of pineapple chunks right on in there, just like that. And we're just gonna mix this around just like that. Now be careful, it's got some juice there that can burn you. There we go, look at that. Look how tropical that looks like. And then we're gonna pop it back in the oven for about 10 to 20 minutes. The chicken's gotta get to 165 degrees. So use a thermometer so that you don't give yourself anything. So let's pop this back in the oven. So set your timer. And there you have it, my Hawaiian chicken sheet pan meal. That was so simple to make on the sheet pan. It was just pretty much one pan that we were using. You could use a bowl too, but we did make it with the chicken, the cilantro, the onion, the different kinds of pepper, and we added the pineapple a little bit later. And we also used a Hawaiian barbecue sauce, which you can find in the sauce section there. And this looks, we served it up on some cauliflower rice. I don't know, I've never really tried that. I know it's paleo, which I think is short for caveman meal. I don't know, but I know this is a great meal that everyone will like, and it's low carb, whatever that is. I don't know what that is. But I'm gonna get a little bit of everything and taste this here. Wow! The lime and the fruitiness of the barbecue sauce and the onion and the cilantro go so well together, and I don't know what that cauliflower rice is, but it tastes kind of like rice, and it tastes good too. The sweetness of the pineapple and very tropical. Not that I've ever been to an island before, but sort of Hawaiian inspired, and you can certainly change out the spices, and this is so good. I bet you could take that meat mixture and put it in little containers and freeze it and use it anytime, because we all know that TV dinners are so expensive these days. And wow, this is good with that pepper mixture. I hope you get a chance to make my Hawaiian chicken sheet pan meal, and if you do, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, add me on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe or follow me wherever you're seeing this video at. And visit my website at trailerparkqueen.com for lots of fun trailer park stuff, even handmade items by my trailer park craft room. Wow, this is so good. I can't wait to come back and share more recipes with you. Don't worry, I will. And I will see you back real soon. I love you. I'm Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow.